Today I will show you a simple move for boys called Pavuchok, which translates as spider. In this move you need to switch your right leg with your left arm and then your left leg with your right arm very quickly. Visually, only your arms and legs should move, your body stays as still as possible. Let's begin. Step 1. Place both hands on the ground and come into a reverse plank position. One leg is straight and lifted in the air, while the other leg supports you on the ground. Lower the lifted leg to the floor and raise the other leg. Repeat this several times. Step 2. Now add the arms. When your right leg is up, lift your left arm as well. Step 3. Remove the transition from both arms and both legs touch the floor. Try to stay in the position where only one arm and one leg are on the ground, the opposite ones. Let's practice this slowly. Keep your pelvis lifted and parallel to the floor. Step 4. You can now perform this move while traveling toward, backward, to the sides, or in a circle, however you like. I hope you've had fun and enjoyed this class. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.